two things. I'm gonna do electrical video coming up, and it's just gonna be me taking it slow. My buddy's helping out with doing that wiring. When I say buddy, it's a professional Auto Dynamics. They're helping me out with it. So
ain't nothing but against the party. Ain't nothing but against the party.
what I do have so far are a bunch of supplies. Let me show you. Okay, so these are all the supplies I got. They told me to get some wiring just straight up from Amazon. So I got different gauges of wiring, including that heavy gauge right over there. What I also have is this quick car. Going to actually put it in basically a shutoff right here on the back side of the car. So if you have your battery remote mounted, which I do right down over here. Well, it's not mounted yet. This will be mounted on the back side of the car, right next to the license plate. Additionally, I'll have a nice beauty plate right here. Quick car. What else do I want to show you? Oh, I had to get the inside of the car cleaned out because in a previous video I showed you it was wrecked. Mildly cleaned out. Tires are on the car, so I can actually push the car back and forth. That is actually a huge deal, folks, because the car has been on a hoist for like 3 years, so which is fairly ridiculous. So this is all good stuff. Wish me luck.
At the door, ready to make an entrance, so back on up. Before I have to pull the strap out, give me the microphone first so I can bust like a bubble. Compton and Long Beach together, now you know you in trouble, cause ain't nothing but a G thing, baby. Two no doubt G's,
Not good. No, God damn it. That sucks. Try this again. Alright, well that's how it's supposed to go. Gotta figure out how to unfuck this. Well, fuck.
Use your aggressive feelings, boy. God!
Yes, run. Oh, you fucking camera. Come on, man. So tight. There it is. That is it. Alright, I'd prefer not to fuck this one up. Yes, no thread. So that's how you fuck up something and kind of recover from it. Alright, that's a long way on how to mount your battery. Follow me for more easy tips. Okay, so you gotta fish a 1/0 gauge wire from the inside of the car through, goes through the firewall, and it has to go back to the battery. Ooh, that sucked. Just put that into the car. Oh yeah! Birthing this wire. I have a helper today. Ah, dude. Want to see what a $400 canister looks like? It's for my fuel over there.
Oh wow. Oh, is it like a
Anti-starvation.
Yeah.
So see in here, there's balls that actually allow fuel to go in, and then they close around hard cornering.
Are you getting a roll cage put in here?
That might be the next year project. There's probably wires on that
On the switches.
on the switches, so that might be holding me back a little bit. Pull straight up on that, I believe. There, see, it started to go. There it is. There it is. Those are all the fucking shit.
No, there's plenty of room.
Lots of wire.
Just gonna plug it off now. One more.
Actually, I feel like I can use that for like staging, like bumping and stuff like that. Hell yeah. Look at that.
Want to take it out the back?
I do. Whoop. Yes, right there. Okay, so it looks like a mess of wiring, and we're gonna take that mess of wiring through this hole, take it to the back for the battery.
I got them all ran through but this one.
That's for the ECU, right?
Yeah.
And we're gonna put grommets on that. Wires came back through there. Actually, goes up here. One goes to the starter, which is down there. The 1/0, 2/0 wiring goes over to the, what is it, the alternator. Then they find their way through here. It's like Nissan knew that we're gonna run some thick ass cable through here. Hey, look at that.
Oh, that's an airbag for module.
Airbags.
Yep.
I mean, my commentary for this is stellar. Okay, we got the quick car shut off and on the car, so all I gotta do now is throw in a few rivets on here. I got some 1/8 rivets. They're all aluminum, so they're not gonna rust out and do anything weird. So I'm just gonna drill that out and put this guy in. Oh yeah.